Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Peeling Podcast Matters. Thank you very much for coming. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. So you know, obviously, when you come here, it involves a politician, something like that. So we are going to talk about the DA here calling for Minister Simelani's dismissal over alleged ESCOM fraud. Now we talk about DA has demanded that Human Rights Clemency Minister Thembi Simelane either step aside or be removed from cabinet by President Cyril Ramaphosa amid serious allegations linking her to linking her to a fraudulent scheme involving ESCOM. So according to EDA, the allegations date back to Simelane's tenure as a project director at Vitrovian, I think it's Vitrovian, a consulting firm contracted by ESCOM to manage community unrest at the Kusile power plant. Now, the party claims that Simelane's signature appears on several inflated invoices submitted to ESCOM, some of which allegedly include payments for employees who never existed, amounting to over 700,000 in fraudulent claims. So the DA member of parliament and former prosecutor advocate Glenis Breitenberg argues that Simelane's continued presence in cabinet sends a dangerous signal that corruption goes unpunished at the highest levels of government. Retaining Minister Simelane fosters a culture of impunity and undermines public trust in our institutions. That is the Mama Breitenberg. Okay, now the DA has lodged now a criminal charges against Simelane and accused President Cyril Ramaphosa for shielding her. The party also criticized the president's refusal to release a report related to Simelane's alleged involvement in the VBS Mutual Bank scandal, now further fueling suspicions of a cover-up. Now, Simelane has strongly denied the allegations, labeling them as misleading and asserting that her responsibilities at Vitrovian did not include financial oversight or invoice approvals. So now, as pressure mounts, the presidency had yet to issue a formal response. And now, let us go to the comments. What do people say under that particular story of the DA? And then Umuyati, she's a thief, Kanti. I am shook. And Umuyati, after she released a report about the collapse of George Building, now DA is after her again. And they know Thembi is coming for them. And then Umuyati, this lady came to cook this government, GNU or GNU, which is a gun or gun, whatever it is. There's just a whole lot of responses they were fed. Someone said it's looking very bad for Thembi for the VBS thing. Now this, okay? And then she needs to step down. They can't protect her anymore. That was someone. Then why always chasing and targeting the small fish? Why don't they address the corruption done by the whales and the sharks? Why the small fishes now? And then shooting everyone is a thief in that party. And then what is the DA saying about the collapse of George Building? And Muyati, she is still fine, though I can't, let me see. Wathi cha bamlandele lo mama bandla bayogcina bamchithile futhi lo mama kusho ukuthi ke uyisigebengu nje isidalo sakhe, that was someone. This is about umama ke uSimelane kuthiwa ke the DA calls for the minister uSimelane's dismissal over alleged ESCOM fraud. Some people are saying kusho ukuthi fraud nje into yabo bonke laba bantu abaphethe, something like that. There's just a whole lot when it comes to politics. Buffett, I do not know your thoughts. You'll share them on the comment section. You like the video, subscribe, you share, you put that notification bell on so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet again on my next one. Bye.